Do you ever feel completely stressed out but don't know what to do at home to feel better? Today, I'll show you all the best methods to relieve stress from home. Easy, natural, and effective. But before we begin, dive into my channel by hitting that subscribe button. Every week, we help you transform your mind, health, and energy straight from home. So let's get started with mind and body techniques. Deep breathing exercises. Try the for 7-8 technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8, repeat until calm. Mindfulness or meditation. Apps like Calm or Headspace help guide you. Yoga or light home workouts. Great for releasing tension. Post-workout, your body will feel amazing. If you're finding these tips helpful so far, pause for a second and dive into the channel by subscribing right now. We have powerful content every week, from stress relief to daily wellness hacks that work even with a busy life. Now moving on to number 2, relaxing lifestyle habits. Warm baths with essential oils. Lavender and Epsom salt are excellent choices. Listening to calming music, piano, lo-fi, or nature sounds can help soothe your mind. Drinking herbal tea, chamomile or lemon balm tea works wonders. Digital detox, at least 1 hour daily of no screens. Read a book, take a walk. This helps a lot. These simple habits can make a world of difference when stress hits. Now let's explore number 3, emotional and creative outlets. Journaling your thoughts, write down your worries or a gratitude list. This helps clear your mind. Spending time with loved ones or pets, even a phone call can boost your mood. Laughter is the best medicine. Doing something creative, painting, dancing, or even organizing your space can help you express yourself. If one of these methods helped you, show some love and dive into the channel by subscribing right now. We'd love to have you. And don't forget to check out more videos that can upgrade your mental and emotional health every single day. Take care and see you in the next one. And now let's continue with the video. Your home is your sanctuary. You don't have to leave your house to start feeling better. So here are some more tips you can try right now. Set boundaries. Create a quiet, comfortable space in your home where you can relax and recharge. Minimize distractions by setting boundaries with work and personal commitments. This could be your bedroom, a cozy corner, or even a backyard retreat. Make it your own little sanctuary. Connect with nature. Bring the outdoors in. House plants not only add beauty, but also have mood-boosting benefits. Research shows that caring for plants can also reduce stress and increase feelings of well-being. Practice gratitude. Shift your focus to the positive. Keep a gratitude journal where you write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. It's a simple yet powerful way to cultivate happiness. Indulge in self-care. Take time for yourself. Enjoy a face mask, read a book, take a long bath. These moments of self-indulgence can rejuvenate your mind, body, and spirit. Practice random acts of kindness. Acts of kindness have a ripple effect. Helping others boosts your mood and creates a positive energy at home. It could be as simple as helping a neighbor or volunteering your time. Light up with candles. Create a relaxing ambience with candles. The soft glow and pleasant scents can instantly transform your space into a calming oasis. Diffuse essential oils. Certain essential oils like lavender and eucalyptus have calming properties. Use a diffuser to fill your home with these scents and promote relaxation. Cook nourishing meals. Take pride in preparing healthy meals at home. The process of cooking can be therapeutic, and nourishing your body with wholesome food is essential for overall well-being. If you enjoyed these additional tips, don't forget to hit that like button right now and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the joy of a calm mind and happy living together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.